Hi everyone, this is George, product review guy here, back with another video. Today, hope you're having a good time, and also I'm going to show you my RC car and around it, and what kind of motor I put in it, and what kind of gearing I put in it as well, and also upgraded the motor, and also put the speed controller in it already. It's already plugged in already as well. Okay, I'll show you about it after the intro. And I'm back. Welcome back to my products and reviews YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you my RC car 4x4, and just to tell you, it's got like a upgraded motor, upgraded speed controller, and a different gearing on it as well. And also I got this from my shop from Antiques Model Shop, RC car shop, and also yeah, so it's got the lights on it, it's got the LED lights on it as well. It's missing the indicator light, but it doesn't matter. This is we have to get that fixed as well, when I get it apart from Swindon Model Sport, you know, Model Sport shop, and also I'm just going to show you around this car with my glasses, and so I'm going to show you around it what I've updated it. So okay, so here we go then. So see you in a minute. Alright, bye. Now I'm going to show you the inside of this car. Now I'm going to show you the lights there and there, and it also has got nice tyres. These tyres are very good, and it's got good suspension, it's very springy suspension, and it comes with a very good body shell, this car, yeah. And just got stuck on the back of there. Sorry. Right, okay. Alright. Okay. So I'm going to switch it on. So and show you that's. Sorry about that. Alright. So okay. So here's the motor, and also it's got a cooling fin on it as well, and also speed control's got a fan on it as well. Okay, and I'm going to show you if it's switched on now. Okay, should be fine. Sorry, hang on. Sorry, okay, that didn't go very well. There you go. Now I've got now steering. Made a mistake. I did it again. I forgot to turn on the car handset on first, then car on last. Actually, yep. Whoops. That was a mistake there. I made a mistake. That's my first mistake I ever done on YouTube before. And there you go. And there you go. There's flashing. And you see what happens when I turn the steering. Like that one. That one goes up. That one goes bright. That one goes bright there. And they'll go bright there. That one goes bright there. Yeah, so I need to get the indicated lights working on the front, and you know, okay. So okay, and that's it. I'll see you in the next on the camera now. So okay, I'll see you on the camera now. So okay, alright then. See you in a minute. Alright, bye then. Bye. Hope you enjoyed that video of on the camera, on the glasses, and I showed you around the car and what I put in the motor, and also the brushless motor, and it's a very powerful motor for on-road cars only, but then it was actually, I upgraded it for the 4x4, so yeah, okay, so if you like this, and I'll show you more videos of this car running up and down the road in the next video, okay, so alright then, thank you then, bye. RC car here, it's running a brushless motor, and it's going to go backwards and forwards, and I set it up on my handset. It's very good, and also I'm going to show you how it runs. Okay, here we go. Let's do a trick shot. Let's just see if we can do a spin, reverse turn. 180. Here we go. Wow. Usually this road is a bit quiet sometimes, but it's actually okay for it right now. Okay, so alright, and so that's it, and so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye then, bye.